Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anna Vanila Arts. I am Anna Vanila and this is the channel, the place where I share with you all sorts of new crafts and things and ideas and crochet stitch, knitting stitches, everything about hobbies I upload on my channel. So I hope this stitch will going to interest you as well. As you can see, it's with open work, so it creates some sort of open work without actually using yarn overs. Usually to achieve open work you need to use yarn overs so that it creates spaces in between the garment that you are knitting. So in this case I'm doing this stitch. It's absolutely new stitch I have never seen anywhere else. It's from my collection of stitches. This is a knit stitch, needles number 5, acrylic yarn, nice pink color. Hopefully it's visible enough for you to see how clear, just to see and to be able to learn to do this stitch. So first of all, we have 17 loops, 17 stitches on my needle, and what we need to do is to knit front stitches on the right, on the first row, and on the second row also front stitches. Then you will not get the edging wavy, so it doesn't become wavy and uneven, and it doesn't curl up. As you can see, because I've done front stitches on the front and on the back as first couple of rows, it doesn't bend, it doesn't move, it actually complements the pattern very easily. After you start knitting this pattern, it just fades into it, as you can see. So you can cast on just the way you like it. Your method is preferred. So, and then you need two front stitches. So you need front stitches on the first row, a second row, and then you start to use this pattern which I'm showing you now. So the first loop, we do not knit it, we just pass it on to the right needle. Second row, what am I talking about? Well, this pattern has just 2 steps. It's very easy to do, very easy to make, good for beginners and easy for beginners, easy for everyone. It's quick to knit, it's quick to make, and you repeat these steps on the front and on the wrong side, on the back. So this pattern contains just 1 row, which is very simple, very easy, very quick. So pay attention to the details which I'm telling you now. So first loop we do not knit, pass it on to the right needle. Then the first 2 loops, 2 stitches, we knit them together as a purl stitch. like so. Then the next loop we knit it from the inside. So imagine the front stitch. Front stitch is something where you knit from the inside or from the outside, like so, from left to right. So we knit it to the right once, hold it, rotate slightly, and grab from the other side the loop. We grab this yarn slowly and release it. Then 2 stitches, we knit them together with a purl stitch. So 2 together with a purl stitch. So the next one we knit from the inside, 1, hold it with a finger, then we make 2, and then we release. So basically from one loop we create 2 loops. So from 2 loops we create 1 purl stitch, and then from 1 loop we create 2 loops, and we repeat this row all the time. So from the inside we hold it, and then from the other side, then we release 2 purls into 1 purl, 1, so it means we do knit it as 1, and then we make 2 loops. Then the last one we always knit it with a purl stitch. So this is the second row. What we need to do is not knit the first loop. So what we do, we see 2 loops, 2 stitches here. So because it's 2 stitches means these 2 loops we need to knit it as a purl. So we knit them together as a purl stitch. Then we see this 1 loop, it's separated. So we knit from the inside, grab the yarn, then from the left to right we grab the yarn, and then we hold it and release these 2 loops. So 2 purl stitches, we knit them together to create 1 purl stitch. Then we take the next one and we make from 1 loop we create 2 loops. As you can see, it's easy for beginners. And all you do is just repeat these 2 steps on the back, on the front. Basically it's just so simple, but it creates a nice pattern, very airy. It creates gaps which it looks like yarn over, but really all it is just the knitting. And all it is just how you knit the loops together, how you form them through the stitching, through doing stitches. And don't forget to put the marker to make sure which is the front side, not to get confused which side is the front and which one is the back. As you can see, it's all double-sided. It's the same looking on the back as well as on the front, and so on. And you knit these 2 steps on the front and on the back, and you repeat it all the time when you knit this pattern. Yeah, so I think it's easy enough for you. I don't want to make this video too long, so you do not need the first loop. The first two, we need them with a purl stitch and create one purl stitch out of two purl stitches, release, then from one we make two, and you repeat again and again. It's nothing difficult about this stitch. So I wish you luck in your projects, and hopefully you'll do something interesting. You can tag me and share this this stitch with others, with your friends and family, and I'll be appreciative if you put likes and use this pattern. I'll be happy if you love it as much as I do, because I love this stitch and I have a lot of projects that I have in mind for it. Even for sweaters would be quite nice too. I think it's fantastic. Yeah, the creativity in this stitch is endless. So I wish you luck and have a nice time working with this project, with this stitch, and see you soon in my next videos. Stay tuned. Sending lots of love. I am Vanila, and see you soon.